Good day and welcome to CRT Engineer Josh TV, the CRT Covalent YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to present review questions in microprocessor and microcontroller. Magagamit to ng mga mag-ECE board exam dahil under to ng subject na electronics. Pwede rin itong magamit ng mga nasa college pa, naka-enroll sa integration or sa correlation subjects. Kasama to sa pinapaturo ng school nyo sa mga na-hire na lecturer, and of course, kasama to sa mga pa-exam. So medyo marami yung na-ready ko na review questions, kaya hinati ko to sa 3 parts. So this is the part 1 of 3 of the review questions in microprocessor and microcontroller. Bago tayo mag-start, shoutout ko lang ang mga students ko from LPU Cavite. This picture was taken last second term of school year 2024 to 2025. This is under Electronics 2 class. Pero ngayon, nasa 4th year na sila. So, good luck sa mga natitirang subjects nyo. Shoutout ko lang si Pimay Bukalan, ang former JICEP president, ang masipag na taga-asikaso, lalo na ng kapag sumasali kami sa competition sa ICEP Quiz B. Ganun din si Vince Itlong, shoutout sa'yo, isa sa mga ECE quizzer at isa sa mga advice ko sa thesis. Good luck sa ating thesis 2 this coming school year 2026 to 27. Shoutout din kay Jans Hastia, isa rin tong panlaban sa mga quiz B sa ating ICEP competition. Shoutout Mark Jason Mendoza, another ECE quizzer at masasabi kong top of the class sa karamihan ng kanilang subject na na-handle ko. Shoutout to Timothy Mutya, isa rin sa ECE quizzer and one of the best ng batch na to. Shoutout to Aaron Lenar Paking, isa sa mga athlete ng ECE department. Shoutout to Haniel Pagkaliwanggan, isa rin sa advice ko sa thesis and isa rin sa mga galing sa practical activity. Shoutout to Florence Rompe, Miel Robert Salazar, and Estelio Langco, mga JICEP officer din na maaasahan. Next, shoutout to Jericho Bodoso, ang Jericho Rosales ng batch na to. Pagpatuloy mo lang ang pagiging mabait mong bata. Shoutout to Amiel Pagkatipunan at GM Punsalan, ang mga quiz ng batch na to. At maaasahan pagdating sa practical activity. So, sila yung mga panglaban pagdating sa ICEP competition, lalong-lalo na sa practical activity. Okay, start na tayo ng pagre-review. So, ang first part ng video na to is questions lang muna. Ipapakita ko yung 20 questions. So, question 1 to question 20 para dito sa part 1 of 3. Then after mapakita yung mga questions, ipe-present ko naman yung mga sagot. So, kuha muna kayo ng pen and paper. And habang pina-flash yung questions, pwede kayong magsagot. So, for question number 1, which of the following are the major parts of CPU? Yung mga choices, hindi ko na babasahin. Kayo na magbabasa niyan and choose or select the best answer. Question number 2, in basic computer system, Which component reads and executes program instructions? Question number 3. Which memory type can be read and written to while the CPU is operating, but loses data when power is removed? Select the best answer from the choices. Number 4. Which memory type is commonly used to store the computer's initial startup instructions? Question number 5. What does volatile memory mean? Select the best answer from A, B, C, and D. Question number 6. A microprocessor is best described as which of the following? Question number 7. Which part of microprocessor performs mathematical and logical operation? Question number 8. Which part of a microprocessor directs internal operation? Question number 9. What are registers in a microprocessor? Question number 10. What is the main purpose of cache in modern processor? Question number 11. Which of the following is a common application of microprocessors? Question number 12. Who is widely credited as the first inventor of the integrated circuit at Texas Instruments? Select the best answer from A, B, C, and D. Question number 13. Robert Noyce integrated circuit is known for using which material and process? Question number 14. Which group founded Intel after leaving Fairchild Semiconductor? Select the best answer from A, B, C, and D. Question number 15. What does Moore's law state? Question number 16. Which Intel microprocessor was introduced in 1971 and is known as Intel's first microprocessor? Question number 17. The Intel 4004 was classified as what type of microprocessor? Question number 18. Which Intel processor is identified as the first 8-bit microprocessor? Question number 19. What was the clock speed of the Intel 8080? And question number 20, the last question for this part 1 of 3. Which statement correctly describes the Intel 8085 bus sizes? Answer for number 3, which memory type can be read and written to while the CPU is operating but loses data when power is removed? The answer is letter B, RAM. Number 4, which memory type is commonly used to store the computer's initial startup instruction? The answer is letter A, ROM for number 4. Number 5, what does volatile memory mean? Letter D, data is lost when power is removed. Number 6, a microprocessor is best described as which of the following? Answer is letter B, an integrated circuit that serves as the CPU of computer or digital system. Number 7, which part of microprocessor performs mathematical and logical operation? This is letter C, ALU. Arithmetic, logic unit. For number 8, which of the following or which part of processor directs internal operations? Letter A, control unit. Question number 9, what are registers in microprocessor? Answer is letter B, small, fast memory locations used during processing. Question number 10, what is the main purpose of cache in modern processor? The answer is letter B, to store frequently accessed data for faster access. Question number 11, which of the following is a common application of microprocessor? The answer is all of the above. Question number 12, who is widely credited as the first inventor of IC? The answer is Jack Kilby. Letter C. Question 13, Robert Noyce IC is known for using which material and process? The answer is letter B, silicon ang material. Ang process ay planar or planar process. Number 14, which group founded the Intel after leaving Fairchild Semiconductor? So Robert Noyce, Gordon Moore, and Andrew Grove. Question number 15. What does Moore's law state? Letter B is the answer. The number of transistors on an IC doubles approximately every 2 years. Number 16. Which Intel microprocessor was introduced in 1971 and is known as Intel first microprocessor? Answer is letter A, Intel 4004. Number 17, the Intel 4004 was classified as what type of microprocessor? The answer is 4-bit, letter A, 4-bit type. Number 18, which Intel processor is identified as the first 8-bit microprocessor? The answer is letter B, Intel 8008. Question number 19, what was the clock speed of the Intel 8080? Letter C, 2 MHz. And last question for this video, this is just part 1 of 3. Number 20 is, which statement correctly described the Intel 8085 bus sizes? And the answer is letter B, 8-bit data bus, 16-bit address bus. Thank you for watching this part 1 of 3. If okay lang, pa-comment naman ng inyong mga scores. And also, kung hindi pa kayo naka-subscribe, please subscribe to this channel, like, and share. Thank you and see you sa ating part 2 of 3.